Hey there, welcome back. Today we're diving into 5 more passive income ideas that actually work in the USA in 2025. If you caught my last video on high-yield savings and dividend stocks, you know I'm all about real strategies, not TikTok get-rich-quick nonsense. In 2025, the economy's humming, unemployment's steady at 4% per the BLS, gig platforms are booming, and AI's making automation a breeze. Passive income cash flow with minimal daily grind isn't just a buzzword.
It's a lifeline. Whether you're saving for a Tesla or just want to ditch the 9 to 5 hamster wheel, these ideas are low effort, scalable, and USA focused. We're talking tax perks, platforms like Airbnb, and markets where Americans are spending big. New here? Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. Let's get that money working harder than you do. First up, rental arbitrage, real estate profits, no mortgage needed. Number 1 idea, rental arbitrage. Ever thought of Airbnb profits without buying a house? That's rental arbitrage. You lease a property long-term, get landlord approval, and rent it short-term on Airbnb or VRBO for a markup. Why it's hot in 2025 USA, short-term rentals are projected to hit $100 billion, per Statista, with cities like Austin and Miami loosening regulations. High-demand areas, think Nashville, Orlando, see 80% occupancy. With remote work fading, urban vacation rentals are back. How to start? Research markets on AirDNA, $30 per month, for high ROI spots. Lease a 1-bedroom for $1,500 per month, landlord must okay short-term rentals. Furnish via IKEA, $2,000 upfront. List on Airbnb, automate bookings with HostAway. IRS tip, deduct lease and decor as business expenses on Schedule C. Earnings, $2,500 per month, revenue at $100 per night, 70% occupancy, netting $700 after rent and fees. A Redditor in r/Airbnb_host started with a Denver condo, now clears $1,200 per month. Pros, no property ownership, scales to multiple units, high margins. Cons, upfront costs, guest drama, lease risks. USA tip, target college towns like Ann Arbor, students need summer sublets. I know a guy in Phoenix who runs 3 units, banking $2,000 per month passive after hiring a cleaner. It's real estate light, start small, scale smart.
Idea number 2. Peer-to-peer lending. Want to play banker without a suit? Peer-to-peer, P2P, lending lets you loan money online and earn interest, think 5 to 10% returns. Platforms like Prosper and Lending Club connect you to borrowers. Why 2025 USA, stable rates, Fed at 4 to 5%, keep P2P competitive versus bonds. NerdWallet notes $1 billion plus in loans monthly, credit-worthy borrowers, 670 plus FICO, reduced defaults. Tax-advantaged IRAs can hold P2P notes. How to get started? Open a Prosper account, $25 minimum. Pick loans manually, e.g., debt consolidation, 7% APR, or use Auto Invest for diversification. Start with $1,000 across 40 loans, $25 each. Monitor via app, reinvest interest. Potential, $5,000 at 7% nets $350 per year, compounding to $500 plus in year 2. A Forbes case study, $10,000 diversified across 200 loans since 2024, now $800 per year passive. Pros, high returns. Liquid, sell notes early, hands off with automation. Cons, default risk, 1 to 3% loans, platform fees, 1%. USA perk, use a Roth IRA for tax-free gains. My cousin lent $2,000 on Lending Club, now earns $150 per year for her kid's college fund. It's like bonds but with more juice, just spread your bets.
Idea number 3. Selling stock photography. Got a smartphone and an eye for aesthetics? Selling stock photography turns your pics into passive cash. Sites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock pay royalties every time someone downloads your images. Why 2025 USA, content creations exploding, $500 digital ad spend, per eMarketer. AI-generated art hasn't killed demand for authentic shots, think lifestyle, nature. Americans dominate stock platforms, with 60% of global downloads. How to start this work? Shoot high-quality pics, iPhone 14 Plus or DSLR. Focus on niches like remote work setups or sustainable living. Upload 50+ images to Shutterstock, Alamy, tag with keywords via every pixel. No upfront cost, automate uploads with Dropbox. Earnings, 25 to 50 cents per download, 100 images earning 10 downloads/month equals $250 to $500 per year. A Shutterstock contributor on X, 500 travel photos since 2024, now $600 per month passive. Pros, zero maintenance, global market, creative outlet. Cons, slow ramp up, crowded niches. USA tip, deduct camera gear on taxes if over $1,000 per year earned. I sold 200 cityscape shots last year, now $200 per month passive. It's perfect if you're already snapping Insta-worthy pics, just monetize them. Idea MO5. Licensing intellectual property. Got a catchy jingle, app idea, or invention? License your intellectual property, IP, sell rights to companies for royalties. Think Shark Tank, but less drama. 2025 USA advantage. Tech and green startups are hungry for IP, $200 in licensing deals, per IM. Patent filings up 10% with AI tools streamlining applications. U.S. patent law protects creators. How this work? Patent an idea, $1K, $5K via LegalZoom, or copyright music/designs, $65, copyright.gov. Pitch to firms via InventRight or royalty platforms like MusicVine. Automate renewals with IP management apps. Earnings, 2 to 7% royalties, a single app license at $10,000 per year or music track at $50 per use. An InventRight client licensed a kitchen gadget, now $5,000 per month passive. Pros, high margins, perpetual income, creative control. Cons, upfront legal costs, slow deal process. USA tip, use SBA.gov for free IP counseling. A songwriter I know licenses beats to YouTubers, $1,500 per month passive. Turn your brainchild into a cash cow, no daily grind. There you go, 5 bangers, rental arbitrage for real estate wins, P2P lending for banker vibes, stock photos for creatives, dropshipping for e-com, and IP licensing for innovators. Stack these, and $2,000 per month passive is in reach. Pick one, start small, $100 or a weekend's work. Which idea's your vibe? Drop it in the comments or on X, grab my free 2025 passive income checklist below. Not financial advice, talk to a pro, diversify. Thanks for tuning in, like, subscribe, and let's build that freedom fund together. See ya.